Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like several weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. Then does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As a friendly reminder, cryptos are open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 20 hours from after I posted, then yeah, the chart is going to look different for you, but my goal here is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels, and then walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So there has been a pullback, and that's where things are a little tricky to talk about from a charting perspective, because overall the chart is perfectly bullish, but I get it. If you're some sort of day trader and you bought right there, or maybe you bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 10 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking pretty bad right now. So these comments are definitely being made from more so the viewpoint of somebody that cares about a broader picture of things. And the reason why even with the pullback that's occurred, everything is still perfectly fine is actually, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this line for now, and then want to kind of just illustrate the point like this. So just kind of taking a big step back, and I'm not saying the price is going to do this, but let's just say that the price goes all the way down here to 5,200, which is essentially right there, 5,200. Again, not saying that'll happen, but let's say it does. Well, then let's look at where the other sets of lows have been. And if you envision each one of those as stair steps, what do you still have from the big picture of things? Well, you still have very clear stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what you want to see. So again, even if the price were to go all the way down here, so maybe you're watching this video 20 hours from now, and that would be the question is, hey, where's the price at relative to 5,200? Even if you're watching it, 20 hours from now and the price is somewhere down around here, then that still implies that the price does still have that opportunity to build the big picture, higher base. And as I've just shown, that is the name of the game. Once more, I realize that if you're some sort of day trader and you bought somewhere up around here, then of course you don't want to see the price falling down there. And of course, you probably don't even really care about that stair step. But this is why I try to kind of offer up the warning that I would be commenting from the big picture point of view. Now, preferably speaking, when you're watching this video 20 hours from now, or 15 hours from now, or 10 hours from now, you can answer the question that, hey, the price is actually still up above the purple line there, which is the 50 period moving average. But even if it's not, there's still wiggle room for the price to be able to chip away and build an overall higher base. Now, on the flip side of things, and this makes things, this is where your common sense and gut instincts comes into play here. But if 20 hours from now, 15 hours from now, you're saying, well, not only is the price, still kind of just maintaining around this area, but right now, Clay, it's, up there. Well, then at that point, that would tell you that not only has this pullback gone through a healthy consolidation, but the bulls have returned very nicely to it and are now pushing the price back upwards. So like I said, from that point of view, follow your gut instincts. That'll carry you to where you want to go. But as far as the pullback is concerned, yeah, not the most exciting thing, but still totally healthy. The bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build an overall higher base, and that's what you want to see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.